Did you know that peeing when you sneeze is not actually normal when you have babies? And did you further know that if that does happen, you can actually do stuff to fix it? There are some great physical therapists out there that are just for the pelvic floor, but I have a challenge for you that you can do some stuff at home to help. And on top of helping that, it helps with this area too, and lower back pain. So stick around, follow me like this, and out for more, and I'll show you the daily challenges to help strengthen that pelvic floor, to help get rid of that pooch, and stop having to cross your legs when you pee.